How to buy ETF on DEGIRO. Follow my instructions. If you want to invest long-term with low fees, ETFs are a smart choice and DEGIRO makes it easy. Here's the full step-by-step guide. Open the DEGIRO app and log into your account. Make sure your account is verified and funded. To add funds, tap Menu and go to Deposit Funds. Transfer money from your bank to your DEGIRO account. Once the money appears in your balance, tap the search icon at the bottom. Now type the name or ticker of the ETF you want. For example, type VUSA for Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS. Tap the correct ETF from the search results. This opens the ETF overview page. You'll see the current price, chart, and provider details. Tap the Buy button to start your order. Enter how many units of the ETF you want to buy. Choose your order type, market or limit. Market buys instantly. Limit lets you set a price. That's how you buy ETFs on DEGIRO in 2025. Low-cost investing made simple. Thanks for watching.